Good morning, students. We will today we will have our second class on the topic comprehension. So before I start today's class, I would answer the questions you all have sent through email. First, I would like to answer Oshnik, and Srijan. Both of you, Oshnik and Srijan, both of you have asked whether there will be any full stop in the date portion. So I wish each and everyone to see the video, to watch the video minutely. There I have clearly mentioned twice, thrice that there shouldn't be any punctuation. Shouldn't be means should not be. So no punctuation should be there in date portion. In date portion, no comma, no full stop. I hope both of you are answered. And wait, I need to go through. Yes, Tanya, you have asked. Wait a bit. You could not understand in models exercise 6 where some hints were given and you have to form sentences. So you read the instruction carefully and follow the answer provided by me. I hope you will understand. And if you cannot understand, you rewatch the video. Okay. In that particular question, you have to start the sentence with if, and in between dot means you are given the freedom to frame your own sentence. So but it has given means the question has given a mandatory field, that is you have to start the sentence with if, and according to your sentence you have to use could or would, and you have to plus have, you have to somehow use either could have or would have, or the sentence must start with if, and in between dot means it's absolutely up to you the way you frame your own sentence. Okay, so the mandatory part you need to follow, and you have to make sentences of your own. I hope you are answered. Another one asked about whether Atri Pradhan, she asked whether she will be using, see now it's up to you, but you can use 48 pages or 96 pages. For 36 pages it will be required for your test only, revision test. When the school reopens, we will definitely have revision test. In that case you can use that 36 page exercise book, and for this particular all these works you need to do either in 96 or 48. 96 is better, and obviously it's of course you will start from WS1, that is worksheet 1. And another girl, she is Tisha Bhumik, Tias Misra, sorry. Tiash, your composition I have read, it's yes, I can visualize it can be better, even better, but some of the grammatical errors are there. I told you you cannot start the sentence with but your second sentence at the very beginning, the first paragraph only, the second sentence you have started but it, then no be verb, it must have is, it is something like that. Now you frame your sentence, but it should not start with but, and rest more or less grammatical very few mistakes are there. And you need to send me your email address, so that I can write back to you. Everything is not possible to point out here in the class because it takes time. So whoever is asking me anything need to provide me your email address, so that I can communicate with you personally. Though this introduction has a positive effect, that is all can understand through this, but if you provide me anything in written, you should also provide me your own email ID, so that I can point out each and every mistake minutely. Now I hope all of you are answered. And yes, Shaudadeep, your draft is quite well. Today I will discuss all these question answers. I told you in previous week that you are given a passage which you need to go through. The same passage will be given today also, as I am going to discuss the question answers as I told before. So on that day, in a hurry, I could not means I was explaining all the rules and regulations and it took most of the time, so I left the question answer part for this day. Along with that, I gave you time to read the passage and to try by yourself. Now today we will match each other's answer. Each other it's not possible. You should match your answer with the sample answers will be discussed by me. Now let us start. So on the first question, you were given 3 words and you were asked to give the meaning of those following words as used in the passage. And you can use one word answer or short phrases will be accepted. So the first word was compelled. So compelled, in your passage you will definitely find the word forced. Okay, I need to mention the yes, you will definitely get the word forced. So we can say that compelled means forced. Now the next one is confine. Yes, confine means restrict. Okay, and then according to the meaning as it is used in the passage, in that way I am saying the answers. I have given one. You may, the answer may vary, but you must make it sure that the meaning remains same as it is used in the passage. And next one, splendid, it is excellent. Okay, now the first question was, how did Newton spend his early days in school? Okay, so here we can answer that during his early days in school, Newton was not academically, means he was not appearing academically good, rather he was academically below average, and though he had the capacity to use his hands to create some small machines and all, like windmills and all. Okay, so that means he was quite creative, but he was academically below average. So this is the basic answer. Now what is the thing you need to it should be there in the answer, that is academically he was not good enough, but he was creative enough. He used to create some machines and all. These are the common factors. Line to line may not match, but these are the keywords which makes your answer correct. Now next comes, what was Newton's immediate reaction when he was kicked by a bigger boy? So when he was being kicked by a bigger boy, what happens to you? The same thing happened with him. Initially he got angry and he was also trying to give means nicely to that particular boy, but he was quite initially angered and even gave the and he did so, same thing he did also. So and it proved to be a blessing in disguise for him, because he, in this particular event only, not only he kept himself limited in that beating the boy back, rather he wanted to excel the boy in academics as well. So now then he began to do hard work, and rest is in front of us. So the same thing also we can take in our life as a lesson, right? Now next, that means we should not beat back, but we should try to means compete with the person who misbehaves with us in our means with real weapon, that is we can excel that person in education and all, right? Now next was, why is it said that the boy who kicked Newton did a service to the world? You all can understand that he was not that much means he was below the average in academics, but that boy only, the beating of the boy, it only forced him to do better than him in academics as well. So this is the basic reason behind it, and it means it is said that the boy who kicked Newton did a service to the world, because it was after that episode that Newton's true capabilities came to light. Yes, he started doing hard work, and then he invented so many things, theories, discovered so many theories, and Newton could understand his own self and his own capability, right? He started to do hard work, and he discovered so many things. Now all was hidden within, within the nature, so he rather discovered those things. Next question was, what other discovery did Newton make besides the theory of gravitation? Apart from the theory of gravitation, Newton also discovered that sunlight, which appears to be white, can be split up into the colors of the rainbow. You will get all these informations in your text only, comprehension only. For that, you are supposed to read the comprehension passage minutely. And then the next one was, why was Newton referred to as a great philosopher? The answer can be like, Newton was referred to as a great philosopher as he was always immersed in deep thought and intellectual pursuits. This often made him absent-minded, like most philosophers. His brain used to work in different level. That is the reason that he remained absent-minded to this mundane world, like any other philosophers. So this is the this part we can say that this is the answers. This can be sample answers for those questions. Now the most important thing, and it's quite important, that is, and difficult as well, that you have to, in not more than 50 words of your own, note this particular word, show how Newton was truly absent-minded. So we can, as soon as we read this, truly he was absent-minded, this particular question, as soon as we read this, we can remember that friend whom he invited, and the friend was, and plates had been laid on the table, and a good meal was there, but the host was not present at all. Newton was not present. The friend waited for a long time, and he was hungry, and so he took the food, and he was waiting for Newton, and at last Newton appeared. And even Newton appeared, when he appeared, he forgot, he apologized, he admitted that he forgot about his friend. Not only that, he was that much absent-minded that when he found that the plate was there and someone has eaten, so he thought that he himself has taken the food without the friend. So this is, he even cannot remember that he doesn't feel rather that whether he is empty stomach or not. So his absent mind, it means this is the height, this, nothing can be a better example than this one. So you all can understand this. And now the most difficult thing is to set all these things within 50 words. So I have tried to make you understand with one passage. This thing will not be every time. Remember, I don't want to feed you the spoon all the time. So you need to try. This is a sample. You need to see first whether you all can do or not. For that reason only I have done this. But it's after all your own effort, because in examination I will not be there to frame these things for you. It will be you after all to do all these works. So better to be serious from the very beginning, then it will become a habit, as well as practice will make definitely things get the perfection. Now let us see. As I told you, you have to mark it as rough draft, and you have to put it into grid. See, the same thing I did here, rough draft, you all can see. Okay, then I have drawn a grid over here, and you need to follow down. See, the first column I have written, Newton had invited a friend to dinner. Full stop I have already given here. An excellent meal was ready. I told you, try to make simple sentences. Where you cannot avoid, that's a different thing. But short sentence or a simple sentence can help you in this particular process. Now, Newton, however, was not around. Full stop. Having waited a long time, the friend finished eating. Newton finally appeared, apologizing in his absent-minded. I told hyphen word can be we can put in a particular grid. Now here you can see I have put in a single room, okay, or single box. So these things must be kept in your mind. So in his absent-minded manner, for forgetting about him and for supposedly having eaten without him, okay, actually Newton did not eat. Now intentionally I want all of you to point out, see, when we say actually Newton did not eat, if we put actually Newton did not eat at all, it sounds better, right? Now where to put at all, because my 50 words are already done. Okay, now what is the point of this rough draft? Here you all will understand. Now here when you complete, I have kept it in order to make it so that you all can understand. Now actually Newton did not eat. If we complete up to this, something we, now if you add actually Newton did not eat at all, when you put at all, the meaning comes in its true sense. Now where to put at all? Here we can do a rectification. Here Newton had invited a friend to dinner. Okay, we cannot do anything. An excellent meal was ready. Now here Newton had invited a friend to dinner. So if we put the sentence into simple past, what's wrong? Okay, so Newton invited a friend to dinner. Yes, means here we need to jot down everything in such a manner so that the meaning also comes out, and it should be in its proper sequence, and it should definitely serve the question. So here if we somehow omit had and we do not involve ourselves deep into tense part, if we keep it in simple past tense all over, there will not be that much problem, I think. So if you erase had from here, we can get a chance to write here not eat, nor or actually Newton did not eat at here, and now we have to put only all. So here all we can do by just removing Newton was not around. However, I have given, if we do not give however, then also the meaning remains same. So here we get a place for all. So in this way, if you complete your rough draft and if you feel like that I'm not done, or not 2 words, if I add it sounds better, so you need to recheck and you need to rethink which word you can deduct to add the new one. So then you need to do what? That is, you need to do all these things in your rough draft. Then you need to strike through this part, only from there to there, like this. You will, with a pencil, you will strike through. Then you will have to write fair draft. Fair draft, whatever you will be writing on the rough draft portion, the same thing, but not in grid form, but in passage form. I hope you all have understood. Comprehension, there will not be any problem. So take very good care of yourself. Keep on doing your work. Have a good day. Thank you.